smooth and sweet.
Hello everybody, kumusta ang tanan? I am hoping that everybody are all okay. So, welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. Thank you so much for taking time in this video. I appreciate big time.
Wow.
For today's video, everyone, this is from used-based-company.ru. Thank you so much for your generosity in my channel. And they give this product to me as usual for free. I did not spend not even a dime to have this product. Of course, in exchange of my video, I will do an unboxing and a review of my own personal opinion. And I will definitely do an outdoor try-on to this product. All the product that I've been collaborating, I always have to make sure that I will do an outdoor try-on, okay? So, all right. So, a little bit information about used-based-company.ru is an online store in the market that carries replica stuff like purses, wallets, accessories. They do have a lot of good deal going on, especially summer is here. Oh goodness, so it's about time for you to give a gift for yourself. I've been telling this always all the time, and I don't mind shopping online store into market. Very economical, very practical, and very affordable in this kind of product, a luxury replica product. For me, in my own opinion, I don't really mind buying in this kind of product because today's inflation big time. That doesn't mean that we have to stop in our fashion. We still carry on, go our fashion. This is what we are happy to be about this, So buying in this online replica product is, my own opinion, very practical. The same material that they use, okay? Great material. It's my own opinion, okay? Everything here is my own opinion, okay? So we do have a lot of sale going on into market, especially now is summer. So you guys go get a scale for yourself. So here are some eyesight that at least give you an idea of what kind of product they are selling into market. Okay, please carry on, take a look on that. And I will give all the informations below in this video, the link and information below of their company. And of course, you can use my discount coupon that will help add on to your savings. And that savings, you can put that on your table. Do you know what I'm saying? A little bit of savings plus on, it will be good enough to help something to put on our table. Okay, so please use Hazel 5 for unconditional discount coupon. Okay, so don't forget to use my coupon and take a look all their sales into market now. So maybe I am talking too much, right? So let's carry on to the unboxing, guys. Okay, thank you, and please stay until the end of my try on. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. Ta-da! So please careful when using sharp objects. Okay, let's begin the unboxing. Okay, thank you so much for this. Okay, all right. Interesting. Okay, look at that. Summer is here. This is definitely a good stuff for summer. This is a kind of good to go first. So let me finish this unboxing and let's take a look what's inside. Thank you for the great packaging though. Look at this bubble wrap inside. Safe, very protected. Okay. I got one paperwork here. So let's proceed this. Take this off. Let's take this off. And I got another one here. It's well protected, as you can see there. Handle though, very well protected. Thank you so much for doing that. Now here this is the handle. So this has a hole that can be adjusted to your length of preference, okay? And at the edge of that, there is a name on it. I hope you can see this clearly, okay? There is a name at the edge of that. Okay, so same, the other side has a name on it. Hope you can see that clearly, okay? Anyway, so let's connect. Let me check. Oh, I love the material. The material is soft leather kind of material though, and oh, as I've said again, smells is just so good. You know the smell of a fancy stuff. That's how this smells looks like. And I love this one because this has zipper, and you hear the zipper, it slides perfectly though, meaning this is very safe in traveling, especially if you would like to put this stuff on top of the overhead, like you know, in the airlines or airplane travel. So this is pretty good. Let's proceed to connect this, okay? Oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. Let's check. I don't see any out of line stitches, guys. What do you say? Right? And oh my god, the material is a soft leather material. Very good material. Super. I super love it. And look at the straps. Heavy duty though. And this one, the lock is super, you know. So this is what I'm talking. Very great material. This is very good. Oh, I can use this in my work, in going to work, in going elsewhere. So this has one compartment here. Okay, I got one pocket inside in this roomy bag or purse. What do you say? Ah, super beautiful. Oh my god, beautiful, no? You see that and hear that perfectly smoothly. Superb. Okay, so isn't it beautiful? Yeah, I know. Thank you so much, Beast, for this. This is very beautiful. I like this material too. See? Oh, see how heavy duty is. Leather. This portion here is like a hard leather, okay? And hard, soft, you know, that kind of material. I'm not really the expert of what kind of leather, but that's all I can tell. Okay. And what do you say? Ha! Gorgeous. Really. Okay. I am just super excited here. So what I love most here is the style of the purse that comes with a zipper. Well, because my own opinion, it is very safe, like in traveling. Sometimes it's really good to have a zipper on our purses because we never know what will happen, right? It will collide, something like that. Something's going on in our luggages. So at least just don't forget to put the zipper on and everything inside will be safe. See? And oh goodness, look at this. Look at this material. Who could tell? Okay, who could tell that this is from a replica product or a replica store? No one, because truthfully, we use of the same material as I've said. See? No? So, guys, go get a gift for yourself. Let's go check here. Handle is super heavy duty. Super heavy duty. Okay, that's double. Anyway, so I like the idea of this. I have, well, this is your adjustment. Okay, you can adjust it this here back to back, of course, to do a level shoulder, and it's up to your preference, your length, your height. So I do this here, the very end, the very last. That's I prefer for. And let's check inside again. There is one small pocket inside, okay? And there is a name. So you can see that label here. So there is a name of a product name on it, okay? Right? And again, zipper slides so perfectly, smoothly. And this is about 11 inches, the length, and the width is like about 8 inches, roughly, okay? It's all my estimation, okay? So we will put something inside what would be this purse capable of, okay? I will do that too. And again, really, this is very good in the material and smells. And so, super excited. I can't really wait to try this outdoor, truthfully. All right, so let's try this outdoor. Thank you. See you there.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just dripping from a golden beat. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note